Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all another baked street food Indian delicacy, and this one is for baked pholourie. If you guys wanted to, you can also air fry these if you have mini containers to put them in. So let me show you how easy this is to put together. So we're going to start off this recipe, and my son insists that he had to help me here. So I have flour in my bowl. He went in with some split pea powder. Now I'll tell you guys, you can omit the split pea powder. It does make it a little more dense. In went some turmeric, some yeast, and he had to help me. Look at his little fingers. I put in some salt, and he was like, "Can I taste it?" Then went in some pimento pepper powder, which is totally optional, and some green seasoning goes in. Now you want to give this a mix, and we're going to add lukewarm water to help bring this together. We're looking for a very thick batter, so more like a little bit thicker than a cake batter. You want to mix that well. Once it comes together, mix it for about 5 minutes. Let the gluten form a little bit, get some structure in there. Once it's mixed in properly, we're going to go ahead and cover this and set it aside and allow it to rest for about 20 minutes. Now to make these, you'll need these mini muffin tins, or I'm using mini muffin and bun tins. These actually help hold the shape. So when the batter is ready, we can go ahead and fill our bun or muffin tins. You want to spray it lightly with some cooking spray. And I'm using this 1.5-inch ice cream scoop or melon baller to help me scoop it out so I get even balls, so that when they bake evenly. These go into my muffin or bun tins. Now I want to tell you guys, when making this, if you make it plain flour, it's going to be so light and airy. Because I used that split pea powder in it, it made it a little more dense, but it still had a nice consistency on the inside. These baked at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. And once they cool down slightly, I'm going to break into it. And you'll see the consistency. It's not as fluffy as a flour pholourie would be, because it consists of that split pea powder. But nevertheless, it was very delicious. And these are best served hot or warm, and you want to keep it in an airtight container or a Styrotex container. You don't want to leave them out on your counter because they tend to dry out quickly, because after all, we didn't fry them in oil. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Look at the texture of it inside. Remember, as I said, make it with plain flour if you like. I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. Try it. Let me know down below if you like it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to bring you some more baked or air fried recipes in the future. I'll see you guys in my next video. Continue to stay safe.